Yeah, students, welcome back. And so now we'll continue with that. We're going to modify that process builder part because that is one thing which was not working correctly. So let's select submit for approval. I have cloned that particular workflow and created a new version. So let's say sub app, and we're going to select as usual the specific approval process and say student. So let's skip this entry criteria and say enter something, and because we have some of the records are not entering, so we're going to take the default process. Now we're going to activate this, so any other activation is gone. So okay, so let's come back. Let's go to student master. Now let's quickly create a record now and see what happens. So we have changed that workflow approval process, so let's say 44, save. So if you see the approval, it has entered the approval process. Now it's 44, it has got approved. It's not approved, it's entered the approval process and it's in pending mode. So either we approve it. So now before that, take a look at the student master record. So it's already approved because it's a clone. So let's clone one more record and make the changes. So yeah, so these changes I'm going to do. I'm not going to mark it confirm, and that's going to keep the comments empty. Yeah, there is going to be no the earlier one record was showing because it's already there. So let's save. And so now if you go to the related, it will shows that automatically the process builder has submitted this. So it's going to ask me whether I want, let me reject the student and say it's test. Yeah, so now the student was rejected. So, and now if I go back to details, what's happening here is the student is rejected, the comment is updated, and the rest of the workflows are run as required. So this is the power of process builder. It can also call the approval process. So what you need to do is just go to the process builder and make that corresponding change. Just change it. Just go to the process builder and clone that and see to it that this step is correctly added. What you need to do here is either I can clone it, it will create a new version. If it is not working, and create this workflow process, select this and skip the entry criteria for now, so that it will follow the entry criteria, but there is some small tweak required. So for now testing the basically for testing calling an approval process, you can use this. So what we have seen here is process builder can do multiple actions here in addition to workflow. It can create a record, it can update a record, so it can call quick action, it can send an email, it can call an approval process. So it's a pretty useful tool and can be used for business process automation. So rewind this whole video and complete this for the student master.